Oh my god! This grasshopper releases liquid from its mouth.
Hello my friends, I will look for and observe some insects or grasshopper here. Have you a nice day. Follow me.
I got it. Wow, this is a handsome brown grasshopper. Oh my, it's so funny. This beetle pretend to be dead. This is bird nose beetles. They eat leaves. Pay attention this bro. They are acting to deceive their predators. Perfect play. Oh my god, it's very difficult to catch this grasshopper. Cute little grasshopper. Look bro, this tree is swollen. What's in it? I'm very curious. Oh my god. Oh, there is a larva. Oh my god. How can he live without air? Oh, this is very amazing animal. So cool little creature. What's that? No. Yeah, I got it. This is small katydid. This animal eats small insects. Oh my god. This grasshopper releases liquid from its mouth. Ha, he looks familiar to me. He's so handsome. He didn't want to go. Go, go, go. What is this insect? Oh my god, it sounds like cicadas, but it smells so bad. He goes. Oh, there is a pink one. Oh, wow, where did he go? Oh, I lost him. Okay, bro, it's already afternoon. See you on the next. Thank you for watching. Thank you also to Aiden's Aviation, Jesus is Loved One John, The Brady Bass, Gabriele Germain, LCPM, Malek Sme, and all of you who watch this video.